So there's 10 of you and 1 of me. What's a poor girl to do?
Alright, can you still see me? Am I still moving?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not frozen? Okay, good.
No.
Hold on.
You shock me every time.
That's why I do it. Alright, we are back with my friend Esmeralda, and I understand that you wanted to see something else, and I know that you live near bells, so I decided to make a little bell tower. So here, it's a very modest bell tower, but it's a bell and it's on a tower, so work with what you got. But anyway, we're gonna do an experiment here. We're gonna take the bell, and I also need a magic wand here. And do you have any magic words that you'd like to say?
Jolly.
Jolly, that's awesome. So just say the magic word as I tap.
Jolly.
Ooh, okay. And you can see that now the bell is gone, but don't worry, it didn't go far. It actually returned to the tower.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
Thank you. And thank you very much for joining me again today.
Very welcome.
Esmeralda, I've been meeting a lot of people. Does the name Quasimodo mean anything to you?
It rings a bell.
Thank you, Esmeralda. That was awesome.
I know so many less lucky than I. Please help my people.